I received this machine free to try, but I'm so excited to use it. The Caydo iCord knitting machine is a nifty little gadget that takes the hassle out of knitting iCords. It's an electric machine that automatically knits yarn into those handy little tubes you can use for all sorts of crafts and projects. With its powerful motor, it cranks out iCords way faster than you could ever do by hand, so you can make longer, more perfect cords in less time. One of the standout features is the tension design. It comes with weights that keep the yarn taut and ensure an even, consistent knit. This results in tighter, more uniform I-cords that look professionally made. The machine is well suited for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. According to the product details, it's a hit with the crochet lovers and studios for producing I-cords efficiently. The included tutorials help you get started and troubleshoot any issues. Overall, it seems like a handy tool for anyone who works with I-cords regularly and wants to save time and effort.